Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Capsule CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact in your Capsule CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a contact in your Capsule CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes you contact with your customers, but they have really nasty words for you, so it might be better just to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Capsule CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Capsule CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete a contact, you're going to click on this little person icon here on the top left. Once you click there, you're going to see all of the different contacts inside your Capsule CRM. You can see I just have these two. And in order to delete one of these contacts, all you're going to do is click the little box next to their name. So right here. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu up here on the top right. And in order to delete that contact, click on the trash can. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this warning that you're about to delete this contact along with related history, opportunities, and projects. Now, this contact can be restored up to 30 days if you are a super administrator. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on I understand, and then click on the red delete button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that contact has been deleted. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact in your Capsule CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you next video. Thanks again for watching.